my YouTube channel Learn English with Shaik Babji. So in this session, we are going to learn a new structure, the 35th structure. 35th structure is it's my turn to. The structure is it's my turn to. After it's my turn to, we have to use V1 plus something. Let's see the usage of this structure. This structure is just a minute. This structure is used to express that it is now your turn. It is now your opportunity or responsibility to perform a particular action. Or task. Action or task. So, what is the structure? The structure is used to express what? It is now your opportunity or responsibility to perform a particular action or task. Okay, now let's see some examples. The first one, it's my turn to cook dinner tonight. It's my turn to cook dinner tonight. Means it's turn to me. Means it is the responsibility to perform some action. Means some task. What is a task? To cook dinner tonight. Okay. Now the next one. Next. This is my turn to the dishes. This is my turn to do the dishes. This is my turn to drive the car. It is my turn to feed the pets. Next. It is my turn to take our lunch. It is my turn to clean the room. It is my turn to mow the lawn. It is my turn to pay the bills. It is my turn to take care of the baby. It is my turn to answer to the call. It is my turn to answer to the call. Now let's see the usage. What is the structure? 35th structure. So in this 35th structure, we are learning it's my turn to. After it's my turn to, we have to use the first form of the verb, V1, plus something. So how we can use this structure? The usage is, the structure is used to express that it is now your responsibility or your opportunity to perform a particular action or a particular thing or a particular task. So it's my turn means it's my responsibility what? To cook dinner tonight. It's my turn what? To do the dishes. It's my turn. What? To drive the car. It's my turn. What? To feed the pets. It's my turn. What? To take our lunch. It's my turn. What? To clean the room. It's my turn. What? To mow the lawn. Means to cut the lawn. It's my turn. What? To pay the bills. It's my turn. What? To take care of the baby. It's my turn. What? To answer the call. Okay. This is the 35th structure. Thank you, friends. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to like and comment and share. Thank you.